Serikat Donald Trump menyampaikan pidato kenegaraan di depan Kongres Amerika Serikat. Trump akan menyampaikan kinerjanya selama 1 tahun terakhir. Pidato ini disampaikan di tengah kekhawatiran warga shutdown akan kembali terjadi. Poin-poin yang akan disampaikan Trump adalah soal polemik pembangunan tembok Meksiko hingga perang dagang dengan Tiongkok. Sebelumnya, dalam wawancara dengan media CBS, Presiden Donald Trump optimistis kesepakatan dagang dengan Tiongkok akan tercapai.
I would say this.
North Korea, when and where are you going to meet Kim Jong-un?
It has a chance to be one of the great economic countries in the world. He can't do that with nuclear weapons. Are they the same now? Probably a little bit less.
North Korea, when and where are you going to meet Kim Jong-un?
It looks like we're doing very well with making a deal with China. I can tell you this, no two leaders of this country and China have ever been closer than I am with President Xi.